What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Auto Dreams. This is going to be a DIY do-it-yourself tutorial on how to replace your cabin air filter inside your Hyundai vehicle. The vehicle I'm using here as a demonstration is a Hyundai Ioniq. I've also done the same replacement in a Hyundai Genesis Coupe. As you'll see shortly in the video, the location for the cabin air filter is right behind the glove box. Please comment below if the location of your cabin air filter is not behind the glove box. Okay, so the skill level to do this job, I'm gonna rate it B for beginner or E for everyone. No tools are required. The only thing you need is your replacement air filter if you are replacing yours. Other than that, you can save a lot of money by doing this yourself. I know my local dealership charges $65 to replace the cabin air filter. The filter itself is only $12 to $20 depending on the brand you get. Just check eBay or Amazon for your Hyundai's make and model. By doing it yourself, you're gonna save anywhere from $40 to $50, guys. So let's get started with the tutorial. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is move the car so you have plenty of room to open the door wide. You're going to need all the access you can get to that glove compartment. Okay, go ahead and open up the glove compartment. You may want to remove some of the belongings if it's too cluttered. Okay, what you're going to be looking for are two quarter-turn fasteners. Here's the one on the left, and there's also a similar one on the right side of the glove box. Now, as I mentioned, these fasteners are a quarter turn or 90 degrees. You want to go ahead and turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise. That'll go ahead and remove it. Now do the same for the one on the opposite side. Remember, twist it counterclockwise, 90 degrees. It should come off. At this point, the glove box will drop down just a little bit, but don't worry, it's still connected. It won't fall. Go ahead and safely store your two fasteners out the way. We'll get back to those when it's time to reassemble. And what you're seeing at this point is you're actually looking at the cartridge housing that holds the cabin air filter. Okay, so there's a front plate on that cabin air filter housing. It's loosely held in place, two pins on either side. Go ahead and squeeze those pins to remove them. You'll have full access to the end of the cabin air filter at that point. Go ahead and remove it. Once again, you can find these on Amazon or eBay for your car make and model. This one here was roughly $12 if I remember, and it's a charcoal filter. So at this point, we're in the home stretch. We're just going to reverse everything we did. We're going to insert your replacement cabin air filter, or if you're just checking it, doing a little preventative maintenance just to see how dirty it is. If it's not too bad, go ahead and reinsert it. So we've got that back in all the way as far as it can go inside the housing. We're going to grab that front cover plate and push it in place. Remember, there's a pin or a fastener, if you will, on the left and right sides of it. So I've got the cabin air filter housing cover plate back in now. I actually had to put the phone down for a second. It was hard to record and just use one hand to do that. But I've got it back in now. And now the final step is to go ahead and reinsert the two quarter turn fasteners. Remember, one on the left and the other for the right. Okay, so the job was done in less than 5 minutes. Kudos. Go ahead and share this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave comments below, let me know how easy of a job it was for you when you changed your cabin air filter. And I'll see you on the next tutorial.